everybody, welcome to Seema Glow. I am Seema and I'm so excited that you're here with me because I have some updates. Well, if you don't know, I am a woman of a certain age, and with that comes a whole bunch of changes to my body, to my skin, to my hair, and maybe even like my emotional state. And so I am working to balance all that out, to get back to my flawless skin, get the figure that I want to have, and just live the life that I want to live. And so I'm out there, I'm doing the research, I'm talking to some experts, I'm trying out new products, I'm doing some new things, and I want to share it with you because I know I'm not the only one. I hear it from friends, I hear it from new acquaintances, I see it online, I read it in magazines, so I know I'm not the only one going through all of these changes. But I am going to be out there doing the research and trying to find the products that will help, trying to find the products that really work, doing the things that are really going to make that change, you know, that are really going to help us to transform. So please join me for that. I'm going to be talking about fashion, hair care products, skin care products, beauty products, makeup, and I'm also going to be traveling. I love to travel. One of the things I'm doing is I never got the chance to get to all 50 states. I've only been to maybe about 38 of them. So I want to get to the rest of them. And then there are other places in the world I want to go. I've been to Spain. I've been to a lot of the Caribbean, but there's so many other places I want to go as well, and I want to take you with me. So please, I hope you join me. And also, this August, it'll be here in just a few days, and I'm so excited. Usually I celebrate all 31 days because, well, all of August is my birthday. Now, I get some pushback from some friends of mine who want to try to limit me to just one day, but the truth of the matter is the reason why I started celebrating all 31 days is because there are just so many wonderful, amazing, loving people in my life whose time and presence and personalities I just enjoy and love spending time with. And I couldn't do it all in one day. So, you know, I spend the month usually going to brunch with this one, going on a trip with that one, going to a museum with a few friends, you know. So, but this year, I am doing something that a social media influencer on IG, her name is The Bravo Life. She is doing this 30-day challenge. Now, I'm not sure that this is the official title that she's given it, but I call it the 30-day Delulu Challenge. Now, we all know what Delulu means, right? Well, for the next 30 days, she is living her best Delulu life. Her dreams, her goals, the person that she wants to be, she is living as if it has already all come true. And so she's done it before, and she said that month that she did it, it was the best month of her life. She had so many surprises, so many blessings, so many freebies, so many successes in her business to happen in just that 1 month, just those 30 days, because she was walking around as if it had already happened. And I believe her that there is something that happens. People respond to that when they see that, not that you are delusional, but when they see that you believe it, when they see that you are so confident about it, and then when they see that you are just so passionate, people respond, and a lot of times they will align with you. And so I am going to be doing this challenge for the 31 days of August. Now, the way I started it is I wrote down a description of who I want to be, the woman that I see when I look in the mirror, and all the things that make her who she is and the life that she lives. And I've written down also a list of, and it's a rather long list of goals that I want to see happen in August. Now, one of the things the Bravo Life said is to dream big, to like be over the top, you know, do right or reach for those things that seem impossible. You know, it's only 30 days, right? For me, it'll be 31 days. So I've just written down my biggest dreams and goals and hopes and prayers. So I have that written down, and I'm going to spend each day as if those things have already happened. I am going to be talking to people. I'm going to be doing new things. I'm going to be pushing myself, challenging myself, and I'm going to be believing. I'm going to be thanking God already. I am going to be praising Him for all the blessings, and I'm going to keep you posted about how it's going. And you'll be able to see it all right here on Seema Glow with me, Seema. And I am so excited, and I hope you are too. So I will see you really soon. I've got to go and get busy. August will be here in just a few days. So thanks so much for sharing this journey with me.